Algorand value equivalent to $0.644 a coin. The present exchanged cost range $1.25 or $97.668. The earlier day close $606. The change was plus 38 plus 146%. Converse rate US to Algo. Dollar to Algorand gauge for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 3333 coins. Exorbitant cost 3033, while low 2703. The found the middle value of cost 3057. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2857. Change for June 14.3%. US to Algo expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 2857 coins. Exorbitant cost 3704, while low 2857. The found the middle value of cost 3217. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 3448. Change for July 27%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at 3448 coins. Exorbitant cost 34048, while low 2778. The found the middle value of cost 3154. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2141. Change for August 14.7%. US to Algo expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 29841 coins. Excessive cost 241, while low 2381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2707. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2564. Change for September 12.8%. Dollar to Algorand figure for October 2024. Before all else, cost at 2564 coins. Excessive cost 2632, while low 2273. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2477. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2439. Change for October 4.9%. US to Algo expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 2439 coins. Excessive cost 2439, while low 283. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2296. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2222. Change for November 8.9%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 2222 coins. Excessive cost 2273, while low 2000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2156. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 21928. Change for December 4.2%. US to Algo expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 2128 coins. Excessive cost 2222, while low 1961. The found the middle value of cost 299. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 283. Change for January 2.1%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for February 2025. To start with, cost at 283 coins. Exorbitant cost 2128, while low 1852. The found the middle value of cost 216. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2000. Change for February 40%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 2000 coins. Excessive cost 283, while low 1786. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1948. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 1923. Change for spring 39%. Dollar to Algorand figure for April 2025. To start with, cost at 1923 coins. Exorbitant cost 2000, while low 1724. The found the middle value of cost 1875. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 1852. Change for April 37%. US to Algo expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at 1852 coins. Excessive cost 1961, while low 1695. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1832. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1818. Change for May 18%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for June 2025. At the outset, cost at 1818 coins. Excessive cost 1923, while low 1667. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1799. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1786. Change for June 18%. US to Algo expectation for July 2025. Initially cost at 1786 coins. Excessive cost 1786, while low 1429. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1635. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 1,538, change for July 13.9%. Dollar to Algorand figure for August 2025. To start with cost at 1,538 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,961, while low 1,538. The found the middle value of cost 1,714. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1,1818, change for August 18.2%. US to Algo expectation for September 2025. To start with cost at 1,818 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,326, while low 1,818. The found the middle value of cost 234. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2,174, change for September 19.6%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for October 2025. Initially costed 2,174 coins. Excessive cost 2,273, while low 2,000. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,144. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,128, change for October 2.1%. US to Algo expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 2,128 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,128, while low 1,695. They found the middle value of cost 1,942. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1,818, change for November 14.6%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for December 2025. Initially cost at 1,1818 coins. Excessive cost 2,273, while low 1,818. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.9. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,128, change for December 17.1%. US to Algo expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 2,128 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,128, while low 1,852. They found the middle value of cost 2,827. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,000 change for January 6%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for February 2026. To start with cost at 2,000 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,564, while low 2,000. They found the middle value of cost 2,236. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,081, change for February 19.1%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 2,381 coins. Exorbitant cost 330, while low 2,381. They found the middle value of cost 2,662. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2,857, change for spring 20%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for April 2026. First and foremost cost at 2,857 coins. Exorbitant cost 3,704, while low 2,857. They found the middle value of cost 3,217. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 3,4048, change for April 20.